Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Oil for delivery in August inched down 21 cents to settle at $73.94 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate crude prices edged lower from a multi-year high last week, with some traders worried that major oil producers could increase production more than previously expected. In currency trading, the US dollar closed the day at $130.16. The Canadian dollar is going for $99.75. The pound is being sold for $170.67, while the euro is going for $154.31 on average. Now, the main JSE index lost 1,740 points to close at more than 303,000 points. The junior index gained 26 points. Among the winners today were 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cement Company, Derrimon Trading, General Accident Insurance Company, Jamaica Broilers, and Knutsford Express Services. On the losing side were Blue Power Group, Carreras, Everything Fresh, Elite Diagnostics, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Jamaican Teas, Caribbean Cream, and Kingston Wharves. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.